Hi, my name is Tessie Gold of the Good Life, the pretty one, and the irreplaceable Dami, and of course, the multimedia girl. And this is Abi Ahead TV. This is Lakowe Phase 2 area of Lagos State. Just around this exact place where I'm standing was where few teenagers were having fun and swimming in the flooded road. However, the cruise didn't obviously go well when a 19-year-old boy dived into the pool, as they call it, but unfortunately smashed his head on the concrete. And that was the end.
It's like it's a rice. It's like it's a rice. It is on the floor. Everything. Wow.
It's been raining here for the past 1 week, and this neighborhood has had no peace.
Lagos dey smell. See o, na dirty be dis. Na dirty section.
Look at inside market cheap. Back again. I don't even know whether I'm going to go check my house. After this thing, I will go see Shadow. Husband. Husband must stay.
Please, parents, youth, teenagers, stay at home and stay safe. And this is Tessie Gold reporting from Nigeria for Abi Ahead TV.